Our next presenter is Professor Dr. Bilal S. Moyuddin. He is a distinguished cardiologist, an interventional cardiologist and medical administrator, currently working as Executive Director, Punjab Institute of Cardiology. He will be talking about heart failure.
Assalamu alaikum ji. So I thought muffled will become muffled, and I was baffled when suddenly the speaker's name became a lady's name and the talk became a vitamin D talk. As far as your talk, Irfan Bhai, regarding the other issue, which investigation, ECG, X-ray or the ultrasound? ECG first, X-ray then ultrasound. Why? ECG is pure investigation which does not take any time. 3 minutes and you're done. Number one, it is not dependent on the equipment, except it's dependent on the eyes looking at it. X-ray takes more time, while ultrasound is far more dependent on equipment, where it is done, and who is doing it, and whether they can get to it or not. So, the topic when it was offered to me was heart failure. I requested a slight change, and I said a patient journey. Now, it is for you to decide who is the patient. Okay, now again I am getting the problem. The word patient, what is it? It's a noun where it means a person getting treatment. हमारे यहाँ मरीज या बीमार के लिए ये लफ्ज़ patient use किया जाता है. But is it all? Answer is of course not. It's also an adjective. And it is where those who tolerate. And that's why probably in English, the word patient means both the person who suffers and who is willing to be suffering also. So this is where we move forward. My disclosure, of course, are, number one, this is not an English literature talk. Number two, a lot of these questions that I'm going to be talking about are what I have learned from my own clinical experience. Number three, there's no conflict of interest. And number four, of course, this is not a pharma-supported talk by any chance. So heart failure, aap log baat karte hain sare, what is heart failure all about? The heart failure is about the heart not able to do the work that it is supposed to do because of the workload that has been placed in front of it. It can be because of the coronary artery, the heart attacks, the high blood pressure, as we just discussed about it, and whatever else that is there. Other significant causes include faulty heart valves, cardiomyopathy, arrhythmias, infections. All of these things finally lead to the demand-supply issues and get into the problem. And of course, heart failure is a serious business. Once you start talking of heart failure, you start talking of the fact that the patient may not be living for long. आप कहते हैं पहले किताबों में मिलता था कि 5 years and then you're going to be done 50%. Now, luckily, the numbers are better. But still, we lose a lot of patients. So this is something, a definition that you normally come across. It is defined as a chronic and progressive condition. Thus, it is going to take you away. And of course, you have the systolic heart failures, the diastolic heart failures, the acute heart failures, the chronic heart failures, the left-sided heart failures, the right-sided heart failures, and all of these heart failures and heart failures. And of course, I can't talk about all of them in a single 15-minute talk. So, and understanding the phenotypes, again, you have got the 40% less. You have got those who are between 41 to 91, 49. Then you have those which have got more than 50% yet in heart failure. And then you have the pathophysiological and overlapping management strategies which are there. Trials को उठा के देखो ना तो परेशान हो जाते हैं, समझ नहीं आती किसकी बात करो किसकी ना करो, आखिरी वाले की करो या पहले वाले की करो या वेल हेड की बात करो. But the reality is this, that for some reason we as physicians do not follow the trends. Your lisinopril was the first one. Then came in the valsartans and then came the other things. आपने कहा जी अब lisinopril इस्तेमाल ही नहीं करनी, while that was your cheapest commodity. And you could do so much more for those who could not. So look into these trials, etc., rather than me going into all of them again. So the primary causes of heart failure remain coronary artery disease, heart attacks, infarctions, high blood pressure, hypertensions, cardiomyopathies, and all of these. And if you are able to manage and quickly pick them up, you can do a lot for your patients. But you have to manage and quickly pick. That is where the trick lies. And of course, the heart valve disease at the end. And the heart valve disease in our part of the world are mostly rheumatic heart disease. Such a sad scenario. Rheumatic heart disease is a school disease to be picked. Even today, in countries like ours, who are economically challenged, the cost of treating this is a penicillin V. It is not available. So if you want your patients not to have rheumatic heart disease, you need to have your basic medicines brought back, go to your basic schools, have those things done, and you will be okay. But we are not willing to do these things. The pharma industry today is not interested in producing this cost-effective medicine. We do not have the basic rat test available so that we can check on our children. And as a result, we ourselves are to be blamed that we want the heart disease to come. Today, if 44 children in a population of 1 million have rheumatic heart disease, that is considered okay. Pakistan is hitting the figure of 10,000, and we do not have proper methodologies. This is where we are suffering. If you want to do your basic medicines, this is where the internal medicine needs to go into. Anyway, rather than going into that part, so arrhythmias lead to heart failures. Chronic diseases like diabetes, thyroid issues, of course, lead to heart diseases. Lungs, as we have just gone through all the issues, they lead to it, whether it causes a COPD or a pulmonary embolism, and low oxygen and interstitial lung diseases. And then, of course, the congenital things, the structural heart disease present with it. And infections, not to forget, which may lead to all sorts of things. During COVID days, we even started blaming COVID to it. So the risk factors are lifestyle, smoking, heavy alcohol consumption. We shy away from these facts and the lack of physical activity. This is where I will be focusing more on later on. Obesity significantly increases the risk of heart failure due to higher workload and heart. Simple thing is that as your heart becomes aged, you need, like a car engine, accept the fact that your car needs to have less weight on it. So curtail the weight. Aging increases the age, and that causes the problem. The heart becomes stiffened, and the medication treatments, certain cancer therapies, and all of that stuff is there. Of course, the other contributing factors, unfortunately, I think I've repeated some of them, are diabetes, infection, kidney diseases, and lung diseases, and thyroid dysfunction, as I was pointed out. This was basically done so that I could highlight these things once again, so that you can look into it also. And the last but not the least is the sleep apnea. It comes all the way down. You're snoring away, and you are apneic. You get up in the morning, you are not fresh, you're apneic. These are the places those people are going to go into heart failure. So if your husband or your wife is a snorer and a loud snorer, कि हमसाये से भी फोन आता है कि जी इसको थोड़ा सा कम कर दो वॉल्यूम टीवी का, तो बेहतर ये है कि find the correct methodology and do the needful. Now we talk of lifestyles and risk factor triggers. Tobacco and substance abuse. The reality is कि हम सब जिस वक्त अपने मरीज के साथ बैठते हैं ना, तो मुझे सिगरेट पीते हो? हाँ जी पीता हूँ. अच्छा ना पिया करो, अच्छे नहीं होते. बस that is all we are willing to say. भाई तुम्हारी सेहत के लिए ठीक नहीं है. सर वो क्यों ठीक नहीं है? बस बता देना नहीं ठीक. मेरी बात पे एतबार करो, नहीं ठीक. अच्छा आपकी टेलीविजन के ऊपर भी लिखा आता है स्मोकिंग किल्स. ये नहीं बताते किस तरह किल करती है. वो आपने भी वो ऐड देखा था कि जिस वक्त सिगरेट की नीचे आपको पकड़ाया गया, टेलीफोन की बेल बजी और गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया. Thus the reason is you don't have your mobiles are allowed in the car. Similarly, it does the trick. Excessive alcohol. Now, I have lost a couple of dear friends to this, and I'm sure you have a lot of friends who are also into it. And medications, even as simple as ibuprofen can cause it. So, खा लो कोई बात नहीं. बच्चों को बुखार हो गया, दे दो ये दवाई. And that's why we are taking our all stories into the wrong side. एंड क्या करते हो? मैं जी कंप्यूटर पे काम करता हूँ। कितनी देर वॉक करते हो? मैं तो नहीं वॉक करता जी, मेरे तो नौकरी ऐसी, मेरा काम ऐसा है, मैं सुबह जाके बैठ जाता हूँ, शाम तक बैठा रहता हूँ। So you do not tell them what to do, how to do. You do not tell them that you have to stand on your chair, do your 5 minutes walk. You have heard of those swing units in Singapore and in Hong Kong, where all employees have to stand up from 55th minute to the 60th minute, go on the side, do their standing jogging exercise, and then start their work again. They found that this is the simplest way in cutting down the sick days of the employees. These, of course, you are very well aware of the various symptoms and signs of pulmonary, of heart failure. You keep having these coughs. आजकल वैसे ही हर एक को खांसी लगी हुई. It doesn't mean, of course, that you have heart failure, but do get something done if you really feel there's a problem. So complications. If you have heart failure, it's important and you need to be followed up. कभी भी आपको किसी ने कह दिया है, so make sure that you tell your patients that every 6 months you should be with us. Have your basic medications reviewed. Have your basic evaluations done. Complications of heart have multiple. Of course, your kidneys cause the heart failure and your kidneys worsen out further. And thus the whole vicious cycle starts again. Other things, of course, are there and they keep on giving the problems. Liver damage, it causes, doesn't have enough flow, despite the fact that the liver is quite a resilient organ, but we can destroy it. And sudden cardiac death is always there with heart failure. So how do you prevent it? One way to prevent heart failure is to treat the controlled conditions. हम सब बात आजकल आपने भी की ना, GPLP1 inhibitor. But why do you let your obesity go to that level? Why do you want to have the sleeve operations? Work on your early part. Your schools are supposed to have it. हाँ, ये और बात है कि आजकल जितने भी elitist schools हैं, उनके पास playing grounds नहीं है. And we are very proud of that fact also. Some of the same lifestyle uses may help to prevent it. So don't smoke. This will not help. You have to explain to them why not to smoke. Get plenty of exercise. Wait 30 minutes, 5 days, that is not sufficient. You need far more than that. A person who is a retired 65-year-old sitting doing nothing, so go every 10 minutes, do a walk around in your house, go around, check the house, come back, find a way, reasons to do it, so that ताकि सारे लोग everyone is on alert कि बाबा किस वेले भी उठ बैठेगा. Eat healthy foods. Healthy food के बारे में definition ही नहीं पता अभी तक. What is healthy food? अभी तक वो लोगों का ख्याल यही है कि जी चिप्स भी हेल्दी है और वो अपना मेयोनीज के साथ सैलेड खा लो, वो भी हेल्दी है. हाउ मच पोटैटो यू आर सपोज टू डू? वी आर नॉट क्लियर अबाउट व्हाट इज हेल्दी फूड. मेंटेन अ हेल्दी वेट. व्हाट इज हेल्दी वेट? आप लोगों ने कह दिया कि जी कि वो आप एशियंस का 23 BMI ठीक है. मैं कहता हूँ जी मैं उस किस्म का एशियन हूँ जिसका 27 ठीक है. आई एम टॉल, आई एम a different, come from a different bone skull. Let's look into the fact. Yes, I'm not a Davidian by any chance. And Davidians may be 23. Reduce and manage stress. The easiest thing. Oh yeah, na pareshan hoya kar. Koi gar nahi. So everyone has their own stress. अब सर सामने बैठे हुए नाम लिए बगैर सर के स्ट्रेसेस के बारे में कौन नहीं जानता. But anyway. And take medicines as directed. So when a medicine is prescribed, किसी की BD है, किसी की once a week है, whatever it is, you all know it has to be done. अब ये सवाल है, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to toxic cardiomyopathy. Excessive quantities. This is where we are. It does. It's not a question mark, it may or may not, it does. And that is what you have to understand. It will cause the heart muscle to weaken up. Factors that increase the risk, very little amount of quantity will make a difference. High proof beverages are the ones which concentration twice times होती है. They will worsen it up for you. And those who are into these drinks, they understand this. Additives like salt and sugar. So आपने alcohol भी लिया और उसको coke में भी डाल लिया. Thus it becomes worse. साथ आपने नान कबाब भी रख लिए. So it becomes even worse. And binge drinking, यार मैं तो नहीं पीता सर, कभी कभी दोस्तों के साथ बैठ के 2-4 पैग लगा लेते हैं. And within 2 or 4 hours, everything goes into a wrong direction. So, whichever alcoholic drink it may be, now the World Heart Federation also clearly says that no amount of alcohol is definitely good for heart. Red, white, whatever it might be. Period. Stop talking of red wine, Rezapine, etc. All are no longer good. Does smoking cause heart failure? Yes, smoking is a major cause. Research shows that current smokers are twice as likely. These are the various researches that you can always look into your net. So, strongly condemn smoking as a devil's advocate. अच्छा करता क्या है? How smoking damages the heart? ये सवाल आप अपने FCPS के बच्चों से पूछिएगा, उनको इसका जवाब नहीं आता होगा. I can assure you this, pulmonology के खास तौर पे. Plaque built up, no one will talk about it. Direct toxicity, they have no idea what direct toxicity is anything. You talk of reduced oxygen supply, the carboxyhemoglobin, things that you were taught in the first year medical school, they have stopped listening to it. Vascular strain, it takes the heart rate up, it causes a vascular narrowing, they don't talk about it. And of course, the inflammation, it doesn't happen. So the role of secondary smoke, do not forget it. इसीलिए जहाज में वो आपको नहीं पीने देते. इसीलिए आजकल बहुत सारे जगहों पे होटलों में they don't have that. मैं पिछली जगह मैं भी टाइम लूंगा. So you have the CDC and American Heart Association and everything going on. So kindly note that tobacco consumption is harmful. It is socially acceptable. You make it harmful. Unless you tell your friends to get out of your house, go outside, have their cigarette, and then after rinsing their mouth, then come in. You have to make things. Make it socially unacceptable. That is when you'll be able to get rid of this menace from your society. So, short benefits are immediate. 20 minutes you get a benefit. 12 hours you get a benefit. 40 hours you get a benefit. 72 hours you get a benefit. Within short periods, you are getting the benefits at a very, very rapid pace. And if anyone feels that this is not the case, I'm sure we have our good Irfan over here, the pulmonologist, telling us so. Oh, yaar, ठहर जा 2 मिनट. और टाइम मेरा हो गया पिछले दिन की तरह से तुसी. Beyond physical health. So mental health, NHS tells you this, financial. आज पाकिस्तान में सिगरेट 100 रुपए से लेके 1000 रुपए तक का रोज पीते हैं. So अगर आप 500 की एवरेज निकाल लें, तो 20 साल के अंदर 36 लाख रुपए का सिगरेट है. उसके साथ उसकी बाकी चीजें हैं, यानी कि बेटे की और आपकी अपनी गाड़ी तो गई ना उसके अंदर. So as simple as that. And life expectancy also is about 20 times. So quit smoking is the only of the 4 big. And by the way, this is where now I have a debate with you all. How do you count your cigarettes? अगर आपने गलत चीज को अंडरप्ले करना है ना, तो आप उसको हल्का करके बताओगे. जैसे आप हंस के कहते हैं ना, मुंडा बड़ा चंगा है, प्याज खांदा है, उस तरह से बात करोगे. और जब आपने किसी चीज को बढ़ा के बताना है, तो you will really play on it. So not packs. You have to talk of the sticks consumed. That is the way to do it. So 1 pack is actually 600 cigarettes being consumed. And that then goes on and on and on. So अगर एक शख्स ने 10 दिन सिगरेट नहीं पिया, तो वो नॉन स्मोकर नहीं हो गया. उसने सिर्फ 10 दिन नहीं पिया और उसके महीने की सप्लाई 400 पे चली गई है. और अगर वो आपने नॉन स्मोकर पे आना है, तो for 3 months consecutive, full, zero, no passive, no active smoking. Like in cardiology, you have the Medina classification 0, 0, 0. No main vessel, no side vessel, no distal vessel. Then only you can say that you don't have it. And I'll request the professors of medicine and teachers of medicine to go back and think about it. ये 1 pack के साथ आपने अपना बेड़ा गर्क करने में आप लोगों ने काफी मदद की है. Weight management is a 1 slide only. Hip, waist, सारा कुछ देखो. And do your caloric intake. You need to burn 7,500 calories to get rid of it. आजकल muscle mass, fat mass की चीजें available हैं, and from there you can do your needful. Always do a 6-minute walk test. This helps you to define कितनी exercise walk उस बंदे को करनी चाहिए. For example, a 5'6" male who is about 100 kgs, weighs and is about 60 years of age, should be able to walk about 500 meters without any problem. On the other hand, the same dimensions for a lady is going to be about 60% of it. So, आपके पास अगर वो हो, अगर आप वो नहीं meet कर रहे, तो improve your criterias. Various lab tests, etc., pathophysiology, diagnosis, you know, it's done like this. Management, I've already discussed. These are your drugs. Special treatments are many, but left and right heart assist devices exist, extremely expensive. आप लोग करोड़ों रुपए की बातें करेंगे and lung transplant बहुत सारे करोड़ों की बात करेंगे जिस वक्त आप इसके ऊपर जाएं. So that was the patient's journey, and this is, if anyone thinks that it is not possible. Wait a second. Can you please play this video? अगर आपका जिंदगी में कभी भी ख्याल आए, यार ये वीडियो प्ले कर दो, ताड़ी मेहरबानी. आपने मुझे कहा था वीडियो आप प्ले करेंगे. ये हमारे नॉर्दर्न एरिया की प्राउड शीप इज दिया, और अब इनसे हमारा प्राउडली ऑर्बिट वाले का डिसऑर्बिटाइजेशन हो गई है. आपने क्लेम किया था कि आप लोग इसको प्ले कर देंगे, मैंने चेक भी करवाया था. एनीवे, इट इज दिस शीप with a child on top is finding it difficult to go from here to up. Weighs the situation, calculates the risk, and then jumps twice. Once clears this thing, second time she clears the whole thing. जाने से पहले she looks up to the whole thing, what it has to be done. यार उस slide के ऊपर ही आओ, उसके ऊपर play का बटन होगा, उसको आप play कर दें. And with that I'll say thank you. This was the patient thing to have done this talk for you all. And I hope you go ahead and enjoy the basant that is going to be after this. है play का chance है बेटा, कोई नहीं. फारिग है. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you very much, sir, for a detailed presentation.